The roller coaster. Fun fairs are very exciting places because changes to stores of energy happen quickly. In the roller coaster, it's all about the changes in mechanical energy, which signifies the changes of kinetic and gravitational potential energies. Let's see the simulation that explains the changes of energy stores in the roller coaster. The roller coaster gets all the energy it needs at the start of the ride. So, if you want to study the energy graph of the mechanical energy and how it's changing while the roller coaster is moving along its path, as the roller coaster descends, its gravitational potential energy store will decrease, and most of this energy is transferred to its kinetic energy store, which therefore increases. Why? Because gravitational potential energy of an object depends on its height from a specific surface. So as the roller coaster descends, for sure its gravitational potential energy will decrease and its speed will increase, making the kinetic energy to increase, also reaching its maximum when the roller coaster reaches the bottom. So the potential energy will become zero, and as you can see, when the roller coaster ascends, the kinetic energy will decrease, and in turn the potential energy will increase. However, some energy is transferred to the thermal energy store of the surroundings by air resistance and friction, and some energy is transferred by sound waves.